The realm of wearable gadgets is advancing at breakneck speed. Every year brings smarter sensors, stronger connectivity, and sleeker aesthetics. Among these, one smartwatch line continually raises the bar, the Apple Watch. Over nearly a decade, Apple has built a devoted community of wellness warriors, tech-savvy professionals, and style-conscious users with its wrist-worn devices. Every September, Apple's blockbuster keynote event reveals the future of its ecosystem, and consumers have come to expect big innovations. This fall, all eyes are on the Series 11. It's not just another annual drop. Rumor has it the Series 11 could rewrite what a smartwatch is capable of. The Series 10 delivered the boldest design update since the first Apple Watch, yet many felt it was style over substance. Now, Series 11 appears poised to elevate not only form, but function, promising high-performance components, deeper health intelligence, and next-gen wireless standards. Let's rewind briefly. The Series 10, launched in 2024, was thinner, roughly 10% slimmer than the Series 9. That's subtle on spec sheets, but noticeable on the wrist, lighter, more refined. Apple somehow managed to pack an edge-to-edge display that eclipsed even the Apple Watch Ultra in terms of usable screen real estate. Rugged format, minimal case, maximum visuals. The S10 chip delivered solid performance, yet it didn't transform the experience. Battery life held steady. In short, Series 10 looked fresh and performed reliably, but wasn't a performance revolution. That's precisely why Series 11 holds so much buzz. It builds on that refined aesthetic and aims to deliver breakthroughs under the hood. S11 chip, smarter, leaner, faster. At the heart of Series 11 is the S11 processor. Apple typically swaps out its watch chip annually, but leaks suggest this one's special, manufactured on a cutting-edge node, packing denser transistors with less power draw. For everyday users, that could mean instantaneous app launches, buttery-smooth animations, and ultra-responsive Siri, even when juggling multiple background tasks. A humbler power envelope could support heavy-duty activities like GPS mapping for long-distance runs, uninterrupted music or podcast streaming, and all-day health tracking, without swiping hours off your battery life. In short, the S11 could be the device's equivalent of a brain upgrade, giving it fresh thinking power while draining less juice. 5G capabilities, a leap into new connectivity. While Apple's cellular-enabled watches so far use LTE, the Series 11 is rumored to mark the first watch ever with embedded 5G. No, you won't be binge streaming 4K movies on your wrist, but this matters for stability and speed. Faster and more resilient connectivity means clearer Siri replies, seamless streaming music when your phone stays home, tighter mapping and directions, and emergency SOS capabilities with minimal lag, even in areas where 4G is patchy. It's not glamour, but it's vital groundwork for future features. Blood pressure monitoring, a health milestone. Health tracking has been a core tenet of the Apple Watch, from heart rate to ECG to blood oxygen. But blood pressure? That's the missing puzzle piece, until now. Series May 11 finally house a non-invasive blood pressure sensor on the case back. Real-time cuff-free pressure alerts that signal elevated blood pressure before symptoms escalate. For long-distance runners, hypertensive users, or anyone caring for cardiovascular well-being, this could be not just helpful, but critical. Although it's not a substitute for a medical-grade cuff, that constant pulse-based read is a significant safety net, and another step toward the Apple Watch as a discreet daily health coach. Glucose monitoring, a future glimpse. One capability still out of reach, non-invasive glucose monitoring. Apple has reportedly prototyped versions for some time, but accuracy and regulatory hurdles remain. If it's not part of Series 11, don't fret, Series 12 or Series 13 likely has a serious shot. This one would represent a transformation for diabetic care, sparing millions from fingerstick routines. What's new externally? Series May 11 closely resembles Series 10. Apple often delays major redesigns across product cycles. That said, expect fresh materials, dynamic new finishes, and novel band options, possibly eco-conscious ones aligned with Apple's green goals. Rumor mills even whisper about luxe or designer edition variants. Power draw is a concern. 5G tends to sip more energy. But Apple's confident the power-efficient S11 and new low-power watchOS optimizations will keep battery life steady, or even extended in power-saving modes. Release timeline and price predictions. Apple rarely breaks its rhythm. Expect a September 2025 reveal alongside the iPhone 17 portfolio. Pre-orders may open within hours, with shipping starting around mid-late September, perhaps around September 19th. Pricing? Likely to mirror Series 10, a base metal version around $399. Cellular options and premium case material variants, in stainless steel or titanium, could push the price upward. Special or luxury editions may even cross the $700 mark. Why Series 11 matters. More than just an upgrade. Series 11 isn't a radical redesign, but it's a meaningful leap. Packed with an S11 chip, 5G, and blood pressure awareness, it's faster, smarter, and more protective, integral to everyday life. For many, the Apple Watch is less techie gadget, more life companion. Series 11 enhances that identity. It's a personal health assistant, a communication hub, and for some, a lifeline. Who gains the most? User-type fitness enthusiasts. Faster GPS syncing, on-the-go streaming, new health data like blood pressure. Productivity users. Speedier Siri, app switching, notifications, especially useful on-the-go. Frequent travelers. Stronger 5G connectivity in sparse areas, better location-based reliability. Health-conscious users. Preventive alerts from blood pressure sensor, especially vital for at-risk users. Jumping from Series 7, 8, or even 9 to Series 11 will feel like a leap. Wider display, sleeker design, augmented processing, new health tracking, and advanced connectivity. Even Series 10 users will see meaningful enhancements under the hood, while design continuity ensures a familiar yet upgraded fit. Apple's strategic vision, health meets connectivity. Apple's made a steady march deeper into wellness. From early steps like fall detection to medical-grade ECG and blood oxygen tracking, they've solidified the watch's role in health monitoring. The blood pressure sensor extends that path. When glucose monitoring eventually arrives, the watch could become a cornerstone tool for millions managing diabetes. Custom connectivity components set Apple up for advanced features ahead, like real-time emergency protocols or direct-to-doctor health syncs, enabled by rock-solid 5G links. These innovations are less about flashy features and more about redefining the smartwatch's place in life. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Series May 11th not reinvent the wheel design-wise, but its triad of upgrades, S11 processor, 5G, and blood pressure monitoring, ship a new era of capability. Next-gen connectivity, health tech revolution, non-invasive sensors, smartwatch advancements, microprocessor efficiency, future health monitoring, wearable tech evolution, seamless streaming, power-optimized chipset, smart wrist companion.